All right, removing wiring. I didn't need to do a video of it, but I removed the distributor, the cap, and the wires, the spark plug wires. They're all running here. So they're all numbered. The cap is numbered and the wire is numbered. So I know what wire was what on the cap, just in case I freak out. Um, and then I just took off the power cord to the alternator, which is right there. And I'll take the alternator off next. And then the ground, the battery is right here, right to the right of the fuel pump. So here's your fuel pump right there, and then there's our ground for the battery. And that's 9/16. So we'll get that removed. Yep. All right, it's off. Okay. So I'm gonna. Would normally leave a bolt on the engine, but since I'll be cleaning the engine, I'm going to put that in a separate bag and label it, and then put those wires in my wire box. That's it. And then from now, I'll probably end up moving to the starter.